Hello and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com where you can learn more about our online GED and HiSET program. So now on to our lesson for the day. So now here's what a test item may look like. Using the quadratic formula, solve x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And here we have our 5 options. We have option A, -1, 3, B, -2, 1, C, -3, 1, D, -3, 2, or E, -6, 1. So now in order to solve this problem, you want to make sure that you are familiar with your quadratic formula. And that formula is x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and all of this is divided by 2a. So now once you are familiar with your formula, you're going to take your values and insert them into your formula. So for A we have 1 because the coefficient will be 1. For B we're going to have a +2, and for C we're going to have a -3. So now all we have to do is insert those values into our formula. So here we have negative, and B we know is 2, plus or minus the square root, B is 2 squared minus 4, A is 1, and C is -3. And all of this will be over 2 times A, which is 1. So now that we have our values inserted, we're now going to solve. So here we have a -2 plus or minus 2 squared will give us 4 because 2 times 2 is 4, minus, so we have a -4 times 1 will give us -4, and a -4 times a -3 will give us a +12. Next we have 2 times 1, so this is going to be over 2. So now we're going to solve further. So here we have x equals -2 plus or minus the square root. 4 plus 12 will give us 16, and this divided by 2. When we simplify this further, we're going to get -2 plus or minus the square root of 16 is 4, and this will be divided over 2. So now x equals -2 plus 4 will give us a +2, and this will be divided by 2, 1. And then we're going to have a negative 2 minus 4, which would then give us a negative 6 divided by 2, which would then give us a negative 3. So now we can come over here to our options, and when we come down our range of options, we see that option is the correct choice in terms of answering this particular problem. And so therefore we can eliminate options A, B, D, and E because we know that they do not apply. So now here's an image of your graph, and here we have a parabola which is concave up, and our x values are negative 3 and positive 1. So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified when our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.